welcome back to the Beauty Room for another video. It's your girl Alicia, and today's Workout With Me Wednesday, so I have another workout video planned for you today. Today we're gonna work out like we in the 80s, okay? So I got my cute little thong one piece on, okay? And I got my leg warmers on, and I got my headband on like I'm in the 80s. Let's go, okay? So I got an 80s workout for you, an 80s sweat workout for you. So I hope you're ready. Let's get into it. So get your legs moving and grooving. You know the drill. If you follow me, you know. So get your knees up high. Walk it out for this minute here, and then we're gonna get started into the video, into the workout, and I'm gonna show you what to do. I have one easy sequence for you. We do that sequence. I show you the sequence, and that's what we do the whole video for 5 minutes, and get your workout in. So let's get it. Beauty Room fitness tip of the day. Love yourself. Love yourself. And love yourself enough to stay motivated. Okay? So motivation. Stay motivated. Don't give up. All right. So let's get into the workout here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with a squat. Reach like in the 80s, you know. This is how I used to work out. And then we're gonna turn, squat, reach, squat, reach, okay? Turn, squat, reach, squat, reach. Turn with me. Squat, reach, squat, reach. Okay, now I know you know it, so let's get into it. Let's go. Squat, reach, and turn. Squat, reach, and burn. Squat, reach. Let's go. Turn, squat, reach. Woo! Let's go. Let's work out like we in the 80s, you know what I'm saying? Because they used to be nice and lean, you know? Woo! Let's go. Don't give up. Breathe through it. Reach. Burn those calories. Let's go. I'm gonna give you a break real soon. Stay with me. Squat. Woo! Stay with me. And turn. Let's take a little break. We're gonna walk it out. Take a nice deep breath. And out. Walk it out. Let's go. And then we're gonna get back into it in just a little minute. If you need some water, take a drink, take a break, pause the video, get some water, and come back into it. So we're about to get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat, reach, and turn. Squat, reach, and burn. Squat, reach. Let's go. Love yourself enough to do this. You can do it. Don't give up on yourself. Motivate yourself to never give up, because you can do it. And you're amazing. Let's go. Squat, reach. Woo! Let's go. Don't give up. Don't stop. I know it's hard, but we ain't gonna stop, because we want to reach our goals. And this is how you do it. Woo! You're awesome. Don't stop. Stay with me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me out here alone. 1 minute. Come on. Don't stop. Reach. Let's go. Squat. Reach. And turn. Reach. And burn. Woo! Tell yourself you can do it every day. Let's go. Don't give up. Reach for your goals. And squat, reach for the goals. Here we go. Let's go. Don't stop. Squat, reach. Give me a couple more. Let's go. Woo! Feeling your legs. But don't stop. Go. squat. Reach, reach. And turn one more time. Reach, reach, and we're done. Woo! And you did it. I know you're probably dizzy. Catch your balance, catch your breath. Thanks for working out with me today. I hope you had an amazing 80s workout. And don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. Click that bell for future notifications. And I'll see you in the future. Bye.